got them J from, boy, them hard, fool. But you ain't heard about Kicks Out the Nine?
Kicks Out the Nine.
Yeah, man, you gotta put me on. But
Kicks Out the Nine.
Bit. Kicks Out the Nine, Kicks Out the Nine, Kicks Out the Nine, he stay on the grind. Kicks Out the Nine, Kicks Out the Nine, Kicks Out the Nine, ain't wasting no time. Kicks Out the Nine, Kicks Out the Nine, Kicks Out the Nine, he having no J. Kicks Out the Nine, Kicks Out the Nine, Kicks Out the Nine, he catching them play.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Kicks Out the Nine, man. Here on the Carnival cruise ship. I hit y'all with a little review. I'm doing 2 shows for y'all. Because before I get on the cruise ship, I ended up copping the 2 pairs of newest Jordans came out. I caught the 14 Laneys and I caught the Toro 6s. But I wasn't able to make a video on time due to the fact I was packing. I didn't know how I wanted to do it because I had to. But I said, I want to come a little different in the video. We're going to do it on the cruise, Show them all, show them around. See what we got going on, So we on the Carnival cruise ship. I brought both of the shoes with me. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the box with me. But it's all good though, man. I just wanted to show y'all something different. A different way to do a shoe review. I don't know I've seen people do a shoe review in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, they just have them do it. Like I said, I don't have the shoe boxes. And the 14s I wore one time on a cruise ship already. So that ain't dead stock. I wore one time on a cruise ship, but I barely wore them. Alright, here you go. You got the Jordan 14. Jordan 14 Laneys. Laney boys. Got that blue, got that ocean blue. I just felt like I had to bring these, man. I like these 14s. Got the black toe. I like the black toe 14s. The only thing I don't like about black toe 14s is just like 14s with this type of material. It kind of catches length. It catches length pretty good. It catches length pretty good. But yeah, I like this shoe. These came out about 2 weekends ago. They are retailing at $200. I got even DTLR. It's a pretty decent shoe. Got a hint of yellow in it. It's a yellow for Laney. If you didn't know, Laney is the school Michael Jordan went to in high school. These are his school colors. So that's why they called the Laneys. Now, like I said, a couple years back, there was a Laney 14, but the Laney 14 back then was more low cut. This is the high top version of it, which I like better. I'm not a fan of the low top 14. I'm not a fan of the low top 14, but these are alright, man. These are pretty nice. I wore them on Captain's Night. Put a little nice fit together, man. Can't go wrong with 14, man. It's probably Jordan 14s, 15s. That's when people start like, yeah. But really, at Jordan 14. Everything at 14, people kind of like frown upon and stuff like that. But there's some Jordans I like after Jordan 14s. Like, I like the 15s. I like the 20s. Those are the ones I like. I'm gonna take a close look at the shoe. Get y'all a little closer look, man. Get that ocean in the background. Give a good look. Y'all feeling these or what? Oh, you been saw those. Got an attitude behind the camera, man. Yep, those are 14. Now these are your Toro 6s. I ain't put these on yet. Completely dead stock. Dead stock shoe. Got the icy bottoms on these 6s. These 6s hard, man. I like them. These 6s hard. These are Toro 6s. These came out in the past before as well. My knowledge on it right now is it's hard for me to think in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean having my fun. It's hard for me to think, you know what I'm saying? I'm having a great time. I have, by the way. Icy bottoms, red Jordan symbol, most all red shoe. You got your lace lock, black and red. They only came with one pair of laces. The laces they came with was a red pair, well the pair that's in there. But I've been seeing people remix them. They put white laces in them, black laces. I'm not really a fan of lace swaps like that. It depends on the shoe. I do a Jordan 5 lace swap with some white laces and the metallic 5s. I like that one. That's one I do for the most part. But with these, I think I'll just keep my AR. It's an all red type shoe. Man, they keep it red, man. They keep it slimy, man. Whatever, slick back. Shit, man. But yeah, man, these Toros, man. I think these you have 200 or 210. I can't remember which It's a hot shoe. It's a hot shoe, but these actually kind of bricked a little bit. These actually bricked a little bit. These it wasn't hard to find. I mean, I wear a size 13, so for the most part, it's either hit or miss with the size 13. People gonna come get their shoe. People, it's gonna sit in them. But I was surprised at these. I found these a size 13 in the mall. I had got these at South Lake, Stockbridge. I didn't get them at the 9. I didn't get them from all of them. Yeah, it's not a bad shoe, man. I'm feeling this one. It's a nice shoe to have in your collection. All red, Jordan 6. You know, they did a good job. I like how they got that icy bottom. I'm gonna keep going back to that icy bottom. Now they got that hint of white right there. You know, so I kind of see how somebody might like the white laces in them. I kind of see how somebody like them, but I'm just the type of guy. I'm gonna leave it how it is. You know, I'm gonna leave it how it is. You can do your thing with them. I'm gonna just keep them how I got them out the box. I'm still gonna swag them out regardless. You know what I'm saying? No matter how much stuff you try to do to this shoe, I'm still gonna swag it out. But yeah, man, it's kicking out 9. I hope y'all had a great week. I know I did. This is our 5th day on the boat. Had a wonderful time. Shout out to Carnival Crew, man. Y'all get y'allself on the Carnival, man. We went to the Bahamas. Had a good time, man. I want to say thank you to everybody who watched my videos and leave comments, but that always means something to me. That makes me want to make more videos. Like before this video came out today, I got a notification. Cause we on an island, you really can't you're not gonna get internet service, but you'll get notifications. I seen people commenting on my last video, so I was like, man, let me make another video. Cause folks really like it, what I got going on. You know what I'm saying? Folks really like what I got going on. And this is it, man. This is the shoe review of these boy right here. Which one of y'all feeling more? Which one you like better?
Blue.
Blue. Definitely hard. But yeah, man. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video. I'm gonna call this video 2 new Jordan pickups before I got over something like that. Glad y'all tapping in with me. Keep tapping in. I just stay safe out there, man. Be blessed. And just appreciate the word that God created. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Just like these shoes, beautiful. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
No flex,
Flex.
Nike, check,
That's it.
real shoes,
No kids.
no rips.
No rips.
Hit my DM.
DM.
What's up? Side
That's high.
drip for sale.
For sale.
Like on fly.
Fly.
Kiss out.